He looks older than his age. He looks older than his age.
She looks younger than her age. She looks younger than her age.
She is photogenic. She is photogenic.
The toilet is occupied. The toilet is occupied.
Sorry to disturb you when you're busy. Sorry to disturb you when you're busy. Please hear me out. Please hear me out. Please don't interrupt when I'm talking. Please don't interrupt when I'm talking. Can you speak up? Can you speak up? It's too good to be true. It's too good to be true. I need to recharge my phone. I need to recharge my phone. The car is out of gas. The car is out of gas. I don't compete with anyone. I don't compete with anyone. Grasp all, lose all. Grasp all, lose all. We should postpone the meeting. We should postpone the meeting. Can we reschedule the appointment? Can we reschedule the appointment? She is a bookworm. She is a bookworm.
He is an avid Facebook user. He is an avid Facebook user.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down.
Keep your cool. Keep your cool.
I almost lost my temper. I almost lost my temper.
Don't lose your temper while driving. Don't lose your temper while driving.
She's good-tempered. She's good-tempered.
He's bad-tempered when he's hungry. He's bad-tempered when he's hungry.
Would I lie to you? Would I lie to you? How is the business? How is the business?